Is this video the most original idea on the planet? Absolutely not. Am I doing it? Yes. One of my New Year's resolutions was to use up my yarn stash. I previously had thought that I had a whole ton of balls of yarn that were like this size, you know, barely anything, and not really worth, just not enough to really do much of anything with. Turns out last summer I went through and I got rid of a whole ton of yarn, so now I just have, as far as like small bits of yarn, what's in this maurices bag right here. But that's not going to stop me from trying to figure out what to do with it, because it is still just sitting around. I'm going to continue my New Year's resolution of just trying to figure out things to do with them. So because I am wanting to just continue on with my New Year's resolution of using up what's left of my yarn stash, I decided that I would look for ideas. At the end of last year, Loopsy, the YouTuber, her videos are gonna, her video that I'm referencing right now is going to be linked in the iCard. She put out this video of making a snood. I want to get back into crocheting, and I do want to make some of those. I have set aside some of the larger portions of yarn that I have to do that project, and I hope to be making a video on that very soon following her guide. This past week, Cozykitsune uploaded a video called DIY Yarn Accessories. Now, the concept of making yarn accessories is not new, neither is the concept of following other people's tutorials, filming that and putting it on the internet. Not a new concept. But I kind of liked some of her earrings that she put out, and the way to go about it kind of inspired me. There is a little bit of an added, I don't know if it's added difficulty level or just added obstacle, and that is I don't have pierced ears. So all of the earrings I will be making today are going to be of the clip-on variety. Without further ado, I am going to go through Cozykitsune's guide, and it's going to be here on my computer, and I am going to be going through that guide. You'll be watching me go through that guide right here. We'll be pausing and, you know, me attempting that. I'm going to be making one of the earrings from her video, and then I am going to be making some of my own. So I've already gone through the list of things that I need in order to actually like make this. I've got a lot of things unpackaged. I got this all from a lot of the stuff that I'm going to be using as far as the hardware and the actual stuff to make the earrings out of. I got at Joann's. Here we go. Can we talk about how her videos are really aesthetically pleasing? I don't have cute bottles to use as stencils, so what I've got is my ColourPop lip scrub and my e.l.f. acne treatment thing. That's what I've got. So, but I do have cardboard. This cardboard is from one of my Vox boxes, and I'm slowly cutting it apart and using it as a stencil. One of my other goals for the year was to make more matching accessories, and one of the earrings I will be making that's not one of the ones that she's doing, or actually it might be, I don't know, I haven't gotten that far yet. But one of the earrings I'm going to be making today is going to be made to match my Hufflepuff inspired scarf that I knitted a couple years ago. I have some of the leftover yarn, so that's what we'll be doing. Okay. Make a donut. Okay. Did I do that right? As long as they look the same, doesn't matter, does it? They don't exactly match, but we can fix that. That's fine. Cool, they match now. It's the only thing that really mattered, right? Okay, so now we wrap. I feel like I never do enough wrapping. Like my pom-poms are always just a little bit sad looking. Anyone else feel that? Can relate to that? You might wonder why I'm using little thread snippy scissors, and that is because they are easier to get in between the two pieces of cardboard. That is why I'm using the little thread scissors. Because I want to. Gotta clean them up. Like that one piece right there. Okay, got two little yellow bobbles. That's the next step. Okay, it looks like we've made some smaller little loopy things, but it doesn't go into how much smaller those loopy things are. Only that they're smaller. So what I'm gonna do is I have these wooden earrings, which I will be using later. I'm gonna just take the little wood circle here, and I will be tracing that. I don't have enough small things to trace, so I'm just going with it. Is this probably smaller than what she has? Yeah. At this point, I don't give a crap. Let go. Okay, we're gonna clean these up. Okay, so we've got jewelry chain with jump rings on either end. So, because my baubles are smaller than hers, I am going to do my chain shorter than hers, I guess. So, like that. So what I'm doing is a very small length of chain because my bauble is small. How many links is that? 1, 2, 10 links. Ah! Okay, so then what she's doing is tying the yarn onto the jump ring. We're gonna tie the bigger bauble on one end. Okay, then the strings get cut. Okay. Now we do the tiny one on the other end. Oh, and then that's when she puts the earring thing on. Okay, so again, like I said, clip-on earrings is what we're working with here today. I got a pack of 10 at Joann's. That's what we're working with. I am attaching the earring to the jump cable, and then what I'm going to do is tie a knot around the back, like the jump ring. Did I say jump cable earlier? Goodness. If I did, I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna tie it to the back part. There. We'll cover that, and then we'll tie it again back through the jump ring, I think. That'll be secure, I guess. Got some mini, look. Cute. Okay. I'm going to make a ball out of this, and I'm going to do the tassel, not the yellow, in the gray, because the gray is what's similar to the multicolor in there. So I'm going to make the tassel in the gray. So my thought is, what I'll do is put the jump ring on here, the pom-pom on, tie the pom-pom to the jump ring, and then we'll attach the ring to the clip-on earring portion part. Now that I've done this set of pom-pom earrings and this set of pom-pom tassel earrings, which arguably I think turned out really cute, I'm going to set that aside, and I am going to do the DIY that I was excited to do. I have these really cute earrings that are wooden. Super cute. Super cute. And I can't wear them because obviously I don't have pierced ears. So what I am going to have to do anyway to wear them is to make them appropriate for clip-on earrings, which is going to involve removing the back. One of the few colors other than earth tones I wear all the time is pink. I wear a lot of pink. I decided that I want to do, I'm going to use this yarn. Again, working through my yarn stash, there's not a lot of this one left. So, what we are going to do is continue to disassemble the wooden earrings. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using the small one, not the big one. I don't think that big. And I don't think I want the tassel to be like this wide, so I'm actually going to use this to wrap the tassel around. So, yay! All right, I am back. I figured out what I'm going to do. What I've done is I've attached the tassel to the small wooden piece and then I've attached that to some chain. What I am then gonna do is attach the pom-pom to the earring back. Like so. And then like I've done with the others, tying it to the back. Attach it to the ring that the pom-pom is attached to the earring with, and at the same time also going to attach the chain. So those are all together. Close it. Cut these off. And should have two pretty close to identical earrings.